Today we will be making a DIY wood orb. You will need wood veneer, hot glue, stain, scissors, and measuring tape. I picked up this real wood veneer at my local home improvement shop. It comes in a circle form like this. It's wound really tightly, and there's actually quite a bit more supplies there than you may think. You're going to begin by measuring out 16-inch strips and cutting them to length. I would like to mention you can make this however long or however small you want. It just depends on the space you are looking to fill with this orb. Next, you're going to be staining your strips. I'm using a Waverly Antique Wax from Walmart. You could substitute this for paint color of choice or even a different stain. I would like to mention it may be simpler for you to tape down the edges of your straps to keep them from rolling up on you during this process. Once your straps are stained, I recommend wiping away any excess stain you may have left on your strips. And now you are ready for assembly. And I'm going to be assembling this using just a basic hot glue. And I am just circling it around to create a circle and attaching it at the top. And I'm going to repeat that step with the other straps. I hope you've enjoyed this DIY. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you are notified whenever we release new content and videos. Thank you for watching.